Nuclear weapons are the most dangerous weapons on Earth. One can destroy a whole city, potentially killing millions, and jeopardizing the natural environment and lives of future generations through its long-term, catastrophic effects. The dangers from such weapons arise from their very existence. Although nuclear weapons have only been used twice in warfare in the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, about 13,400 reportedly remain in our world today, and there have been over 2,000 nuclear tests conducted to date. Disarmament is the best protection against such dangers, but achieving this goal has been a tremendously difficult challenge. Regional nuclear weapon-free zones and WFZ have been established to strengthen global nuclear non-proliferation and disarmament norms and consolidate international efforts towards peace and security. The United Nations has sought to eliminate such weapons ever since its establishment. The first resolution adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1946 established a commission to deal with problems related to the discovery of atomic energy, among others. The commission was to make proposals for, inter alia, the control of atomic energy to the extent necessary to ensure its use only for peaceful purposes. The resolution also decided that the commission should make proposals for the elimination from national armaments of atomic weapons and of all other major weapons adaptable to mass destruction. A number of multilateral treaties have since been established with the aim of preventing nuclear proliferation and testing while promoting progress in nuclear disarmament. These include the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons (NPT), the Treaty banning nuclear weapon tests in the atmosphere, in outer space, and underwater, also known as the Partial Test Ban Treaty (PTBT), the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty (CTBT), which was signed in 1996 but has yet to enter into force, and the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons (TPNW), which will enter into force on the 22nd of January 2021. A number of bilateral and plurilateral treaties and arrangements seek to reduce or eliminate certain categories of nuclear weapons to prevent the proliferation of such weapons and their delivery vehicles. These range from several treaties between the United States of America and Russian Federation, as well as various other initiatives, to the Nuclear Suppliers Group, the Missile Technology Control Regime, the Hague Code of Conduct Against Ballistic Missile Proliferation, and the Wassenaar Arrangement. The United Nations Secretariat supports efforts aimed at the non-proliferation and total elimination of nuclear weapons, securing our common future. An agenda for disarmament considers nuclear weapons in the framework of disarmament to save humanity. In the agenda, the Secretary-General calls for resuming dialogue and negotiations for nuclear arms control and disarmament. He also supports extending the norms against